before you watch this freaking video, like it! Like the button right now!
I knew you guys would love this place.
Goodness gracious, and look at how hot I am. Half-assing it, and they have half an ass. Think about it. You half-ass your workouts, you're going to get half of an ass. He's a freaking good-looking dude. You really want to burn some calories and make a difference? Do you? Do you really want to? Look how good-looking I am. So good-looking. 9.9 Richter scale. I'm 180 sexy pounds. You like this, don't you?
Grab that same finger that takes low effort, right?
I'm gonna grab that same finger that takes no effort and shove it up your... He sounds like that Parrot from Aladdin. $99, it is worth $99,000 if the freaking thing works. I'm 27 years old, 6'1".